Experience this Tennessee brick ranch on 3.5 acres, offering the perfect combination of charm, functionality, and country living just minutes from town. This inviting one-level home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with a layout designed for comfort and convenience. A large picture window that floods the space with natural light. The open and airy layout connects seamlessly to a dining room featuring a classic brick fireplace and built-in shelving, ideal for family gatherings or cozy evenings with friends. The home's warm and inviting atmosphere perfectly balances rustic charm with practical design. The kitchen offers white cabinetry, laminate countertops, and a small breakfast nook, making meal preparation a pleasure. Adjoining the kitchen is a convenient laundry mudroom with extra cabinetry and direct access to the attached one-car garage. A full bathroom and 2 additional bedrooms round out the functional layout, providing space for family, guests, or a home office. The primary suite is privately positioned just off the living area, complete with its own ensuite bathroom, creating a quiet retreat for homeowners or guests. Each bedroom provides ample space and natural light, offering comfort and versatility for everyday living. Outside, the gently rolling 3.5 acres provide room for gardening, outdoor recreation, or future expansions. A metal shed adds storage options for tools, equipment, or hobbies. The property's location offers the ideal balance of country serenity with convenience, less than 10 minutes to town, and a short drive to Watauga Lake and Boone and Sea. With a newer roof and thoughtfully maintained features, this Mountain City ranch presents a fantastic opportunity to add personal touches and build equity. Whether you're seeking a peaceful country retreat, a practical family home, or a project with potential, this property combines space, charm, and location for an exceptional value.